Hi, myself Praveen. Today we are going to discuss about the basic needs of a company. These are the four basic needs with free of cost: free domain, free website hosting, free email services, and free SSL. Today we are going to go through with these four options. So while purchasing, we can select in three ways. We can host a website or a mail servers in three ways. One is shared host, dedicated host, and VPS hosting. Shared host, with a single server, multiple vendors or multiple companies will host the websites as well as mail servers. That is about shared host. And next option will be dedicated host. For each and every company will have a dedicated server for hosting mail services as well as website hosting. Third will be VPS hosting, virtual private server. There will be a bunch of servers which will have high availability as well as fault tolerance. They will create a virtual machine. They will provide a dedicated host for each and every company, so they can host their own websites as well as mail services. Even naming services also will be provided via them. So today we are going to utilize VPS hosting. So while purchasing also, we can purchase in three ways based on the cost. First will be type 1. We can purchase domain name with one vendor. Website hosting we can purchase with one vendor, as well as email services we can go for some other vendors. So where we will deduct the cost? For example, in domain name we will get a best cost. Web hosting somewhere we will get a best cost. In email services in some other vendor will get a best cost, where it will deduct the cost. That is about type 1. Type 2, domain name will provide services by some other vendor, as well as web hosting as well as email services will be provided by some other vendor. This is about second type. Third type, naming services, web hosting as well as email services will be provided by a single vendor. I can give you a best example about GoDaddy.com. So today we are going to utilize second option. We are going to use second option. Domain name we are going to purchase with some other vendor, as well as web hosting, email services we are going to utilize with some other vendor. Today we are going to see with this options. First is get free domain name nfreenome.com, where we will get the free domain name. Host your custom free domain with free hosting in infinityfree.net. Here where we will get web hosting space as well as mail services will be provided by infinityfree.net. And for SSL we are going to utilize secure.instancessl.com. Via this vendor we are going to purchase free SSL for 90 days and we are going to utilize. And at last, in that particular hosting we are going to show how to redirect the traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. So via script we are going to do this. Now we are going to get into the practicals. We can start from creating a free domain. So first we are going to use freenome.com. We are going to copy and we will enter in the URL. So this is the website. Here we are going to purchase techluso99.ga. First we will utilize only the name. Just check availability. So this and all basic free domains, and this and all top level domains.com.org, this and all paid versions. So here we are going to use .ga. Select get it now. Check out. So here default it will be 3 months. I am going to select 12 months, around 1 year. Select, I'm going to select continue. Here just you have to enter our Gmail ID. Here I'm going to use Hotmail. You can use any kind of mail services. I'm going to use techluso99 at Hotmail. Just verify this under options. Same thing. Verify. So once it's done, verify a link, it will send to your mail. Just we should validate it, we should confirm within 24 hours. Just I am going to log into the mail. So we got freemailnow.com verification link. Just select this link. So here we have to fill our company informations, company details. So first I'm going to give first name, last name and company name, as well as code, as well as address. You can give address also, address, zip codes and all, and basic things only, countries, state, phone number. I'm going to select state. Yeah, it's done, and I'm going to enter the phone number. Now just select I accept, and please wait. You have to enter the email ID, password, that are not common. Just now you will get the order confirmation. This is the order confirmation ID. So once I will receive a mail from freenome.com. Just I'm going to use the mail ID for logging to the freenome.com. So once it's done, I'm going to select service, my domain. So can you see, this is about techluso99.ga, and registration date, expire date. We can select manage domain to manage. So here I'm going to select manage tool, name server. So here default it will be a name server with freenome.com. If you want, we can use some other vendors naming server also. So here we are going to use some other vendor naming server. We are going to specify here. For that, next we are going to go with infinityfree.net for web hosting. So once again here also I'm going to use hotmail.com for creating an account for web hosting, and password. With freenome.com we completed naming services. Now here we are going to use web hosting purpose as well as mail services. Just select I am not a robot. I'm going to select I am not a robot. Here just complete our basic verifications. Then sign up. So once again, from this it's going to send a confirmation mail. We should confirm. I'm going to back to Outlook. So I got a mail from Infinity Free. I'm going to select confirm your mail from this console itself. Confirm your email address. So here your email address has been confirmed. You can now create your first domain. So I'm going to select new account. In new account, use your own domain. See here, the domain need to point to the naming server. These are the naming server which will be provided by the Infinity Free. Just I'm going to copy this. I'm going to enter in freenome.com on customized naming server, custom name server, like that. ns2 epiz.com also I'm going to use. There will be 2 naming servers. Just I'm going to select change name server. Now changes saved successfully. Here we are going to copy this TechLoser 99GA. I'm going to paste it here. Here we have to specify the domain name. Automatically it will generate account username as well as account password. So I'm not a robot. Once again, just we have to do the basic verification here also. Verify, create account. So here website for techloser.ga. I'm going to select view the client area. In view the client area, we can see our account details for login, username, as well as FTP details they will provide for uploading purpose, FTP username and FTP password, as well as FTP host name also. Then the port number will be 21 for FTP. Then go to the control panel. Now I'm going to select here. These are the basic information what they are providing. Just I am going to select I approve. So in right hand side you can see the plans: Infinity Free, FTP account, subdomain unlimited, add-on domain unlimited, park domain unlimited, MySQL database also unlimited, disk quota unlimited, disk space 0 MB, disk free space unlimited. So here everything what I am going to highlight here, everything will be a free of cost up to 1 year. Below that we can see all the accounts details: MySQL hostname, MySQL username. So here first I'm going to select add-on domain. Default here the domain will be added. In right hand side you can see site builder. If you select that, here we will get the customized templates. For example, I will select continue here. So here it will ask domain name. For example, open a new link. Here what they provided, the FTP name as well as FTP username, everything we can provide here and we can customize here itself. Just I'm going to close. We are not going to use this kind of options. Even we can use WordPress also. I'll show that option now. It will be, we can select app installer, WordPress. These are the more applications similar to WordPress. I'm going to select WordPress. Here this is the WordPress. I can install this templates. I can customize here also. So you are not going to use this option. We have a customized thing. So I'm going to go for uploading purpose via FTP. We have a customized website. So I'm going to select WinSCP. Okay, no. So we have to specify FTP protocol, as well as I have to give FTP host name where you saw last time. Just I'm going to minimize. I'm going to use FTP username. FTP password. Sorry, FTP here I'm going to select first FTP host name. Then I can go with password. So next will be FTP password. Login. What is logged in? So this is what in right hand side you are seeing htdocs. It belongs to our domain space. Left hand side it is our local desktop. I'm going to browse my customized website. I'm going to select and I'm drag and I will drop on the VPS server. So it will take time based on the capacity of the customized website. Here it may take around 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, it's done. So these are the websites, customized websites. Just I'm going to close, give OK. So I'm going to test now the hosted website with our domain name Techluzo. Just I enter. So this is the basic thing of our hosted website Techluzo. So next I'm going to go with mail server. How to create a mail account, we can discuss about that. So this is the email tab. Here select email account. So to receive email and the email address, you should set a MX record with this naming server. So select MX record. Here just copy that name and add this record. It is important to receive as well as sending purpose for external domain like Gmail and all. If not, your mail will be confirmed as spam. So once I am going to select email, here I am going to create an account called admin and password. Just I am going to give a password and I am going to select add. So this is the account admin at techluzo99.ga. I'm going to go back to home here, because here itself we can test with webmail. There's an option. This is the option of webmail. So here the username I'm going to use admin at techluzo99.ga and password. So here I'm going to compose a mail. I'm going to send a mail for tech test free 1 at gmail.com. Heading will be testing, subject, content also test mail. Just I'm going to send. I can go and select sent. In sent item it is there. we can test in our gmail.com. to log in to test free one at gmail.com. So can you see this? Admin, yeah, test mail. We got a mail, test mail, what we sent from there. I'm going to give a reply. Hi, received. Just I'm going to select send. Now we are going to go with our local console. Starting it will take little bit time first time. Just refresh. Yeah, we got a mail. This is sent by from Gmail. Hi, received. So this is about our email box. Next we are going to get into SSL. How we are going to secure our website. So for that we are going to use this particular website, instant.ssl.com. For that first we have to go with SSL TLSL option and we are going to select configure. Here generate key, that is about private key, CSR as well as certificate. So first we are going to generate the key. Here we have to give our company informations. So domain name, which country, India, I'm going to select India, state Karnataka, town Bangalore, company name Tecluso, department administration, email ID I'm going to specify our corporate mail ID admin@tecluso99.ga and I'm going to select generate key. Once it's selected, it will generate a private key. This is about private key, what it will be generated. Just upload the key and I'm going to go for instantssl.com for purchasing trial SSL. Here I'm going to select try free SSL certificate, get free SSL, here only 90 days and copy and paste your CSR into this box. So I'm going to copy this CSR and I'm going to paste it here. Just remove the space. Select which web service will be used. Here we will use Apache and remove this option. Just give next. So here domain control validation we can do in two ways. One is via mail ID and one is with CNAME. So here we are going to utilize mail ID. Just continue. So here we have to give once again the information of our corporate details, that means our company informations. Just I will fill everything what all needed here. The red marked options and all, it is compulsory, we should fill it. Address, title, first name, last name, telephone number, and to maintain your SSL we should provide username as well as password. I'm going to give some username, as well as password. Now I'm going to select next. Here license agreement, just select I accept to payment information. So first CSR is completed, next domain validation is pending. So we should verify via code itself. The code will be sent to our mail, the corporate mail. Just refresh. Yeah, so first one I'm going to select domain control validation for Tecluzo. So this is the code for validating our domain. Just I'm going to copy this. Here I will paste. Next. So thank you for domain validation. Just I'm going to select complete now. So here this process also completed. Now we will get one more mail, that is about SSL certificate will be provided by the particular vendor. So this is the SSL certificate, free SSL certificate. Just we should copy this, copy in this panel. We have to paste in certificate. Just you have to check with the space, and I'm going to select upload certificate. So it is uploaded. Just we are going to test by typing https://tecluzo99.ga. see, now it is loaded with HTTPS. Connection is secure. So I can go with certificate validation 2008 to 2019. So next we are going to redirect it. For that I'm going to select online file manager, here htdocs. So here I'm going to create a new file for redirecting from HTTP to HTTPS automatically. So this is the script what I'm going to use for redirecting purpose. Just I will enter the code here. I'm going to save in the form of .hta.access the file name, and I'm going to save it. Go back. Now we can see here. Can you see? Yeah. Now I'm going to close. I'm going to reload it. Oh, I'm going to open new tab. I will test with, just I will type http://tecluzo98. Automatically now it should redirect to HTTPS. Yeah, it's redirected. The script started to work. So this will happen via script. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to Tecluzo.